Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a super easy and healthy ripe plantain bread with absolutely no flour. It's moist, naturally sweet and perfect for breakfast or a snack. So let's get baking. So I will be making use of two ripe plantain. So I'll just go ahead now to chop off the head and then I'll peel this off and I will show you the next thing to do. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you for watching. And if today is your first time of coming across this video or channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much. Now that I have peeled, I'll just go ahead to add that into the blender I will be using. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and also share. Then you also leave your comment in the comment section what you think about this plantain recipe. So I'll go ahead now to crack some eggs into the plantain and then I will be showing you what I did next. So guys, tell me where you are watching from so that I can give a shout out to you. Now I'll go ahead to add some honey. This is optional, okay guys? This is so optional. After adding the honey, the next thing I'll be doing is to add some vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil, you can use any oil of your choice as well. Then I will cover the blender and I will go straight ahead to blend everything up. After blending, this is what we have. We have our liquid period. So guys, I'll go ahead to turn this into a clean bowl. After turning it into a clean bowl, the next thing I'll be doing is to use my wooden spatula or my silicone spatula to remove the remaining ones from the blender. Now I'll be adding 1.5 cup of oat flour. This is also optional as well. So I will go ahead now to add some baking powder. After adding the baking powder, the next thing I'll be doing is to add some vanilla extract. If you don't have it, you can also skip this part as well. So I'll now go ahead now to mix everything up with my hand whisk. So guys, for the honey I put, you can replace it with some dates, okay? Just add a little bit of dates to it because date is also healthy. So I'll be using these two aluminum baking pan. I went ahead to grease it first with oil or butter, then I added some little flour. So I'll just go ahead to swirl that around so that everything will be okay. So now I'll go ahead to add some pistachio into this or the topping. For the second topping, I will be using some hazelnut. So this is optional. In place of hazelnut or pistachio, you can use sunflower or seed. You can use whatever topping you have at home. Okay, guys. So I will be baking this for 180 degrees for 40 minutes. So guys, this is what we have. Guys, when I say this bread is healthy, it is healthy and I enjoyed every bit of it. So guys, will you be trying this out? If you do, please leave your comment in the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So keep eating good food. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.